Seeing cellular network not available on your Assurance wireless phone, this usually means your phone can't connect to Verizon's network. First, check your signal strength. If it's weak, move to an area with better reception, like near a window. Then, try the quickest fixes. Restart your phone by powering it off for 30 seconds. Next, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off again. These simple steps often refresh your phone's connection and solve the issue in a few seconds, according to recent reports from tech sites. If the quick fixes don't work, the problem might be your APN settings or outdated carrier configurations. For Assurance Wireless on Verizon, your APN settings should be APN VZ Winternet, MMS MMS-Text MMS, MCC 3111, MNC 480. To check and reset these on Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names. Delete any existing APNs and add the correct one. Also, make sure your carrier settings are up to date. On iPhone, go to Settings General About and wait for a prompt. On Android, dial *#4636 ##*. If problems persist, contact Assurance Wireless Support at 1-888-898-4888.